Next, characteristics of matter particle. The particles of matter attract each other. We study about three states of matter particle, that is solid, liquid and gas. But in all the three states, the particles of matter are not arranged with equal strength or force of attraction. In case of solid, matter particles are holded with strong attractive force, which is less in case of liquid and least in case of gases. We have seen that to break a stone is very difficult, which is solid in state. Similarly, a biscuit also solid in state, but it is quite easier to break it. Why so? There is difference in the arrangement of the matter particles in both the cases. Although both are solid, but in both cases the matter particles are not arranged as equally. In case of stone, the matter particles are arranged tightly and very closely to each other in a regular form, whereas in case of biscuit, which is amorphous solid, it is solid, but in this solid the matter particles are not arranged regularly. They are arranged randomly with certain gaps here and there, which is not of equal distance. Somewhere the gap is of huge distance, somewhere of less distance. So the particles of matter attract each other, and that attractive force is responsible for the state of the matter, that whether the substance would be solid, would be liquid or would be gas. Particles of different substances have different force of attraction, and that different force of attraction give rise to different state, and moreover it also change the density of the substance. We know well what is density. Density is defined as mass per unit volume. To understand that the particles of matter attract each other, there is one activity which is given in NCERT book also, to demonstrate that the different matter have different forces of attraction. In this activity, we form human chain, where first this human chain is formed by just touching the fingers of each other or holding the fingers of each other. In second step, they hold their hand tightly, and in third step they hold each other waist tightly, as you can see in this figure. Now, if we want to break this human chain, which step would you consider is more easier to break the chain, where we apply least force? That is definitely the first one, because at first step they hold each other only with finger, where the force of attraction is least, whereas in second case the force of attraction increases by holding each other with hand, and at third step the force of attraction increased a lot because they hold each other tightly from waist. So that force of attraction is helpful to maintain that human chain. If the force of attraction reduces, easily this human chain can break out. Thus, from this activity, we come to know that force of attraction is responsible for maintaining the state of substance, that whether the substance would be solid, would be liquid or would be gas. In case of solid, the force of attraction is more, whereas in case of liquid and gas, the force of attraction is less. There is one more activity. Demonstrate the strength of attractive forces among the particles of different kind of matter or different solid. So here three type of solids are here. One is iron nail, which is very stiff and hard. Another is chalk pieces, which is solid but it consists of some air space between them. And third one is rubber band, which is elastic. But all three bodies are solid but shows different properties. And why do they show different properties? That answer we have to find out. So if we see these three substances, all three substances are in solid state, but their properties are different. That is due to the particles of iron. If we see here, are held together with very strong force of attraction and the matter particles are in regular form, which is followed further by the chalk, which is also solid particle, but here the force of attraction is not that much of stronger as in iron, because the number of particles of atom involved in chalk are arranged in irregular form, not in regular form. And the third one is rubber band, which show the property of elasticity. So it is difficult to break the iron nail. The particles of rubber band are held together by comparatively weaker force of attraction, which is leaded by chalk having quite stronger force of attraction compared to rubber band, and maximum force of attraction and the regular arrangement of atom particle is found in iron nail. Thus we conclude that matter particles are held together with force of attraction, and different substances of solid have different strength of its attractive forces, which make solid particle also different in their form. The force of attraction is maximum in case of solid, after that less in liquid and least in gases, as shown over here. Generally those solid which can show sublimation have very negligible force of attraction. Now here, what is sublimation? Sublimation is the process in which solid substance directly changes to gaseous without coming to the liquid state. This is called sublimation. For example, camphor. Camphor directly changes from solid to gas. It does not get converted into liquid. Naphthalene ball, iodine, etc.